Here are unpopular tips on how to study better, part 2. Number 1. Plan your study day based on the to-do list instead of how much time I should spend. Parkinson's law states that work expands so as to fill the time available for completion. So set deadlines, give yourself rewards, and you'll get things done more efficiently. Second, embarrass yourself and you'll remember forever. I know how we always say that once you finish a topic, it's best that you can explain it to your friends or explain it to a 5-year-old, but I feel like the better way to do it is to explain it to someone who already read up that topic, which is maybe your batchmates that are already studying ahead of you. And when you do explain to them, you'll realize that they can directly correct you on the spot, and they can also share some tips and tricks on how they memorize certain key points that you struggle to understand and struggle to retain the memory. Number 3, have boundaries with people that don't respect your time. You probably have friends or families that don't really understand what you're going through or how important are certain exams to you. They probably say stuff like, oh my god, it's just one day, come on and play with us, like it's not such a big deal, don't overstress yourself, like you don't need that much time to study, you can study eventually the last minute, yada yada. So when you hear this kind of thing, just try not to explain to them. Draw the line, save your own time, and just do your studying. It's your own path to walk and it's your own consequences to bear. If you were to fail the exam, they are not responsible for it. You are the one who's bearing the consequences. So just do what's best for you. Number 4, avoid sugary drinks. Last time when I used to study, I will give myself self-rewards such as getting a sugary dessert, getting a milk tea, getting a milkshake. All these things that contain really high sugar. But then I realized that once I get that, I get a sugar crash, and then I get an unplanned afternoon nap, then I sleep for hours, like 3 to 4 hours. So technically my whole afternoon is gone. And then by the time I wake up, I don't even feel refreshed. I feel very horrible. This is something called the serotonin-melatonin effect. It's when you start to ingest food into your body will then produce insulin. But when you take too much sweet things, then you have a lot of insulin to counteract it. So when you have a lot of insulin, it kind of clears the amino acids in your blood. And when that happens, it leaves behind tryptophan. Tryptophan will be converted by your brain into serotonin and melatonin, where melatonin is the hormone that makes you sleep. That's why you will eventually feel sleepy after having like a really extremely sweet diet. Therefore, please take care and avoid sugar so that you can have a more productive day. This is part 2, so follow me more for more tips on how to study and also other tips for self-development.